corner, and we really want your Christmas to be even more fun, even more bright and full of happiness. So here we are at Hamleys Carnival, जहाँ हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं exclusive games, great deals and discounts. So what are you waiting for? Come join us. As you can see, we have 4 different game counters जिनमें आप participate कर सकते हैं. Even adults can also participate. There is no age limit. And so we have our new winner with us. Hello, beautiful. What's your name?
Adishri.
Adishri, congratulations. कौन सा गेम खेला आपने? That one. Lobster pot. और आपने ये जीता. Wow. कैसा लगा आपको खेल के?
Nice.
मजा आया?
Yes.
So can we have a huge round of applause, everyone together? Congratulations. Merry Christmas and keep shopping. Bye-bye. You can win, you can play, and let me share what all games we have for you. So, first we have lobster pot, जिसमें आपको 3 buckets दिख रही होंगी. इसमें आपको ball hit करनी है and aim करना है, and then you can take home a free gift from Hamleys. Isn't that amazing? Then we have ring toss. बहुत ही सिंपल गेम है. आई एम श्योर आपने कभी ना कभी खेला ही होगा. आपको बॉटल्स दिख रही होंगी, उसमें आपको रिंग एम करना है. Then we have hoop shot, which is more or less like a basketball. Again, I'm sure आपने खेला ही होगा. So please come join us. I would like to invite you all. Please come on. Anybody can participate. It's going to be fun. Then we have can smash, जो मैं तो कल 2 बार जीत चुकी हूँ और एक फ्री गिफ्ट हैमलेस की तरफ से अपने लिए लेके जा चुकी हूँ. और मैक्सिमम लोगों ने ये गेम जीता है बिकॉज इट्स वेरी सिंपल. आपको 5 चांसेस मिलेंगी विद अ बिग बॉल. आपको दिख रहा होगा येलो कलर की बॉल्स है, उनको आपको एम करना है और सारी कैंस को 5 चांसेस में स्मैश कर देना है. वेरी सिंपल, इजी. सर, वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई? Would you like to try? Anybody can join. So please be my guest and not to forget 70% का off आपको मिल रहा है. Mostly all our products, all the games, all the toys, सब पर आपको up to 70% off मिलेगा. So I really want all of you to play and win and make this Christmas even more memorable for you. Hi, feeling so pretty. Come. I love your outfit and your shoes. What's your name? Come. Urvi. What a beautiful name. अच्छा, आप यहाँ पर टॉयज लेने आए हो या गेम्स खेलने? टॉयज लेने. लेकिन अगर मैं आपको बताऊँ कि आपको फ्री टॉय मिलेगा अगर आप मेरे साथ खेलोगे तो मजा आएगा ना. गेम भी खेलेंगे और टॉय भी मिलेगा. अच्छा है कि नहीं? Yes or no? Yes, so come let's play. You can see we have so many games. Which one would you like to play first? Can smash? Can को hit करना है बॉल से या फिर वो hoop के अंदर आपको बॉल डालना है. Then we have ring. वो बॉटल में रिंग डालना है. कौन सा खेलोगे? लॉबस्टर पॉट भी है. चलो सारी गेम्स देख कर ऑफर आप जल्दी जाओ और जो भी अच्छा लगे मुझे बताओ. What's your name? Santi. कौन सी क्लास में आप? Third standard. Did you play this game? Why? You don't like tea?
I like it.
Which is your favorite game out of all these? To hit the glass, the bucket one, or the can one? Can? Hit the can. Okay, so are you gonna play? You can play just at ₹199 and take home these amazing gifts. So you must try, I would say, okay? And Rina will help you over there. Oh, come on, go. All the best. Come on, and tell me if you win, I'll give you a gift. So, all the kids over here, welcome to Hamleys Carnival. We are here celebrating Christmas. So, the offer is you can play one game at just ₹199. Isn't that amazing? 4 games at $599. You will get amazing toys at a heavy discount. And let me tell you, Christmas और New Year के लिए ये special offer है. It's a limited time period offer, 70% off. And I really want all of you to make the most of it. Hi, hello, what's your name? Aliza, such a beautiful name. आप कौन सी क्लास में हो? Third standard. Okay, तो आपने गेम्स खेले? Wanna play?